Dear friends, welcome to Weekly View on Markets. Nifty Index staged a good rally on Friday after consolidating for previous 4 days, that is Monday to Thursday. Bank Nifty also gave a technical breakout on Friday. Mid cap and small cap indices were weak during this week. Escalation of war between US, Israel, and Iran is putting pressure on the markets, and the developments on this is going to be the key for the markets in the coming week. Rising oil prices because of the geopolitical tension is a key factor for the markets. Nifty has closed at 24,334. It has gained 0.53%, that is 127 points during this week. Bank Nifty index has given a breakout on Friday. It has gained 475 points for the full week, closed at 58,521. Bank Nifty closing above 58,000 is good technically for the charts. Mid cap index and small cap index corrected during this week. Mid cap index is at 62,428. After hitting 63,200, it has slightly corrected. Mid cap index is trading at almost at life high. Small cap index is at 19,296. Small cap index is facing good resistance at around 19,300. It has to take out this, then we'll see small cap index also going to lifetime high. Lifetime high level is 19,600 for small cap index. India VIX is quite steady at around 13.15. It has gained 7.35% during this week. That means due to the escalation of war between, the fear in the market is slightly rising. There were equal number of sectors gaining and equal number of sectors losing during this week. That is why the whole week is a kind of consolidation, especially in the broader markets. Information technology gained 4.34%. Consumer durables gained around 3.11%. Media private banks gained around 2%. Remaining all sectors like auto, public sector companies, NBFCs, all were consolidating with minor gains. Realty sector gained for the last 2 weeks. After gaining this week, it has lost around 2.12%. Metal index lost 1.99%. Defense index also lost 1.48%. FMCG index lost around 1%. Other all indices like PSU banks, commodities, infrastructure, all were consolidating with minor losses. So the whole week was a kind of consolidation for the broader markets. Now let us look at technical charts. This is the daily chart of Nifty index. If we can look at the chart, it is showing a kind of consolidation in the from the range on the lower side is 23,750 and on the higher side is it 24,500. The support level we can draw like this, which is at around 23,750, and resistance on the higher side is at around 24,500 to 24,600. Nifty index has to take out this resistance at around 24,500. Then we will see good move. This green candle on Friday, the big green candle is quite positive for Nifty index. in the coming week. This is the chart of Nifty Mid Cap Index. Mid Cap Index is trading at almost lifetime high. After touching 63,200 or like that, it has given a small correction on Thursday and Friday. It has got resistance at around these levels. Whenever it is coming to these levels, then some correction is coming. And mid cap index has got good support at around 61,200 to 61,000 levels. And many companies are likely to announce results in the coming week. Mid cap companies are ex- giving good results. Based on this, the mid cap index is likely to go to higher levels. This is the chart of Nifty small cap index. Small cap index has given a very good up move in recent weeks. And if I draw a support line, it will look like this for small cap index. And it has got good resistance at around 19,300 levels. Whenever it is hitting these levels, we see a correction coming in Nifty small cap index. Small cap index has to take out this 19,300 resistance zone. After that, we will see small cap index going to the previous high of around 19,600 levels. This is the chart of Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index is also in a consolidation zone. On the lower side, it is 57,000. So 57,000 looks like a support zone. And on the higher side, 58,200 looks resistance zone. And on Friday, we can see a big green candle. So this is quite positive for Bank Nifty. And many banks are likely to announce their quarterly results. And results are expected to be quite good for banks. So we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty in the coming week. So now let us look at some of the macroeconomic parameters. Foreign exchange reserves of RBI is at 675.17 billion US dollars. It was slightly down by around 1.59 billion US dollars during this week. Nevertheless, the reserves with RBI is quite good. It can take care of any economic shocks. Foreign exchange rate is at rupees 96.28 per dollar. Rupee has weakened. There are two reasons for rupee depreciation. One is the escalation of war between US, Israel, and Iran, and second one is the oil prices have gone up from $70 per barrel to $88.10 per barrel. This is definitely a cause of concern for Indian economy and also for Indian markets. Gold price is steady at around 1,43,290 for 10 grams 24 carat. Dollar index also is steady at around 100.76 level. 10-year GSEC benchmark bond yield is at 6.76. If we look at FII and DII activities, FIIs have sold on all days during this week. They have sold 9,119 crore during this week. Comparing to that, domestic institutional investors have bought on all days. They have bought total of 9,808 crores. So domestic buying is matching FII outflows. That is why we don't see big correction in the markets. The West Asia crisis is escalating and it is affecting the ship movements on Hormuz Channel, and also latest report is that the ship movement in Red Sea is also getting affected. So that will further give rise to higher oil prices. Oil prices have already gone up from $70 to $86 per barrel. Not a good news. And because of this, rupee has also depreciated sharply from 95 to 96 level during result season is as per expectations. Many companies have announced results. Reliance Industries has announced results on Friday late evening. The profits for the quarter are flat compared to the previous year same quarter. So Reliance move in the next week will decide the market move because it is a heavyweight on Nifty index. Based on the results, we will see stock specific moves of various companies. Many more results are expected in the coming week. So investors have to watch for the quarterly results. Mutual fund investors should not get worried about day-to-day volatility. They should continue their SIPs and they should be focused on the long term, their goals and long term returns. They will get good returns in the long term. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can refer to your friends. You can ask your questions, which I will reply. Thank you.